Ito po ang aking mga action figures, collectibles. Yan si Anthony Davis, yung first 5 ng Slam Dunk, si Lebron, si Fukuda, naman yung sila Lebron at Davis, yung Larry O'Brien trophy. Yan, at yung 4 na rings ni Lebron from Miami Heat, 2 plus Cleveland, at yung latest yung LA Lakers noong 2020 season. Yan po ang aking mga action figures.